Hello all, today we are going to explain what is data science. Data science is a multidisciplinary field that uses scientific method, processes, algorithm and system to extract the knowledge and hidden information from structured and unstructured data is called as the data science. Another definition, data science is a study of data. It involves developing method of recording, storing and analyzing the data to effectively extract the useful information. For example, a company that has petabyte of user data may use data science to develop effective way to store, manage and analyze the data. Next definition of data science is a combination of various tool, algorithm and machine learning principle with the goal to discover the hidden pattern from the raw of data. So why we need data science? Traditional Traditionally the data that we had was mostly structured and small in size, which could be easily analyzed using the simple tool. Unlike data in traditional system which was mostly structured, today most of the data is unstructured or semi-structured. So let's have a look at the data trend in image given below, which show that by 2020 more than 80% of the data will be unstructured. So this is the graph. Okay, so in this graph 80% data unstructured in 2020. Okay, so we require more technical tools, algorithm to extract the hidden information from the unstructured data. So this data is generated from different sources like financial, text file, multimedia file, sensor, instruments. So simple tools are not capable of processing that huge amount of data science. So this is why we need more complex and advanced analytical tool and algorithm for processing, analyzing and drawing meaningful information out of it. So how about if we could understand the exact requirement of our customer from the existing data, like the customer past browsing history, purchase history, age and income. On the basis of these information, you can easily extract the some patterns, that patterns used in the decision making system. So let's take different scenario to understand the role of data science in decision making system. So how about if your car had the intelligence to drive you home? So in car, self-driving car collect the live data from the sensor including radars, camera, laser to create a map of its surroundings. So on the basis of this data, self-driving car drive the car. So based on this information, it take the decision like when to speed up the car, when to speed down, where to overtake, like this. Okay. So let's see how data science can be used in predictive analysis. For example, in weather forecasting, data from ship, aircraft, radar, satellite can be collected and analyzed to build model, and this model is used will not only forecast the weather but also help in to predict the occurrence of any natural mishap. So this is the diagram of life cycle of the data science. Thank you.